Hey, what's up, guys? So welcome to Code Caffeine. Today we are gonna do the today we are gonna learn how to reverse a linked list. It's an easy question in Leet code. So let's get onto it. Okay, so the problem here is we are given a linked list and we need to reverse it. So uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to make it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? So what we need to understand here is that we are given the head, we are given just the head of the linked list, and not, and we need to find, and we need to get the last element as the new head. Okay, so let's do it. So first we need to know, we need to check for if no head is given, or if there is no next, which means that there is only one node, then we can just return it as it is. So the next thing we need is we need current equals to head next. So we will make this as the current. We will leave it as it is, and ref pre ref previous reference equals to head. And so as you can see, our first head becomes the last, and it doesn't have any other nodes after it. So uh, its next will point to null. So what we do is head dot next equals to null. So what it does is this our first element one, first node one, it will point to null now. So now we need a while loop. So while until we have current, we need to loop until we have current as a value. So if current becomes undefined or null, then this will stop. So first thing first, what we need to do is 5 4 3 sorry 1 2. So we need this as our temporary reference. Let temp reference equals to current dot next. So since as you can see, current equals to head dot next, that is this is our head. Currently our current is this one. So the temp ref becomes, so we have current temp ref and previous reference. So right now we have two as our current ref, and one previous ref equals head. That is our head as one as previous reference. So what we need to do is we put 3 as our temporary reference. Let's do this in another line. 3 as our temporary reference, and so and our current dot next, which means 2 is our current, right? So our next, this next should point to this now. So current dot next equals to prev ref, that is 1. So uh, 2 dot next points to 1. Now we need to change the prev ref as well. Now the prev reference becomes our current. So the prev we now the current, we use the current as prev ref here. So we put the value of the current in the prev ref, and the current becomes current equals to temp ref. That is now the temp ref, the current becomes temp ref. So 3, now our new current is 3 and our new prev ref is 2. So this will keep on repeating until until it reaches 5. So at 5, the our current becomes null because current dot next. So when we reach 5, current 5 dot next is null, so temp ref becomes null, and current also becomes null. So we return our prev ref, uh, because if we return current, then current is null, so we don't return current, we return the prebref because prebref holds the last value. So we return the prebref and run it. Yeah, and this is how it works. Okay, so let me know if you need any clarification on that. Thank you guys. See you on the next video.